The engine let out its tortured scream as my Ferrari 488 Spider coughed, sputtered, and died right in front of the Meadowbrook Hills community pool. Smoke hissed from under the hood like a vengeful spirit. Kids screamed, adults gasped. And there stood Linda Pettin, HOA board president, hair helmeted, Botoxed into a permanent scowl, holding an empty Domino sugar bag like a war trophy. "Shouldn't have parked it on the street, David," she snapped, then scurried off like a rabid Stepford wife. I'm David Matthews. I wasn't flashy. Quiet marketing consultant, jazz guitar on weekends. The Ferrari was a treat, my one indulgence. But the moment I moved into this pastel-painted, beige vinyl HOA kingdom, I awakened something primal in Linda. It all started when I disagreed over hedge trimming. She insisted all hedges be cut the first Tuesday of every month, regardless of species or need. I mentioned my Japanese boxwood needed different care. Her left eye twitched like a broken turn signal. From there, it was war. First came the citations: garden gnome misplacement, non-regulation door knocker, bird feeder too cheerful. Then the photos, 3 a.m. snapshots of my recycling bin, slipped under my door like ransom notes. She once crouched in my azaleas with binoculars, claiming she was inspecting for invasive insects. When the Ferrari showed up in my driveway, her eye twitch evolved into a full facial Morse code. "This isn't Beverly Hills, Mr. Matthews," she hissed. Emergency HOA meetings followed. Topic: vehicle ostentation and garage underutilization. Her living room resembled a hostage negotiation, complete with crime scene photos of my car. "It's a gateway vehicle," Linda warned the board. "First sports cars, then motorcycles, then food trucks. Chaos!" She began surveilling me full-time, measured my grass with a ruler, logged doormat color violations, documented my mail retrieval attire. She even created a Matthews log in a leather notebook. Day 43, doormat navy instead of regulation black, possible dye issue. Day 47, pajama pants at mailbox, potential appearance code breach. She deputized poor Bob from Cedar Drive into spying on me. When he said, "It's just a car," he got cited for leash length while his dog was sitting. But it all came to a boil with the sugar. Thursday morning, ring cam footage, Linda waddling up my driveway with a Costco sugar sag, gleefully dumping it into my Ferrari's gas tank, giggling like a deranged elf. The video hit YouTube. Title: HOA President Sabotages Ferrari like Martha Stewart on meth. 1.2 million views in 24 hours. Comment section was savage. "Karen, final boss edition. This is why I live off grid." Even better, my cousin Jake, a bored lawyer with a grudge against HOAs, lived nearby. Linda claimed the video was AI. She called the cops. Bad move. Officer Rodriguez watched the video, sighed, and said, "Ma'am, this is felony vandalism." Even worse for Linda, a 12-year-old kid live streaming Fortnite across the street caught everything in HD. His commentary? Internet gold. "Yo, HOA ladies going full cycle on the Ferrari. Someone clip this." His stream went viral separately, got remixed into a techno banger with Linda's laugh auto-tuned, hit number 3 on Spotify's comedy chart. The HOA board? They bailed faster than a sinking yacht. Patricia Henderson sent a mass text. "Linda's gone rogue, voting her out Tuesday." The emergency meeting drew 47 people. Record turnout. Linda showed up in a business suit and neck brace, briefcase in hand. "I refuse to resign. This is a witch hunt." Patricia stood. "Linda, you poured sugar in his tank. We saw the video." "Fake news," Linda retorted, ignoring the selfies on her own phone with the sugar bag. The vote? 46-1. Linda voted for herself. She delivered what locals now call the orthopedic wedge speech. This neighborhood is doomed. Without me, mailboxes will lean. Dogs will walk themselves. The end is near. The judge wasn't amused. Linda claimed memory loss from community service burnout. The judge deadpanned. Mrs. Pettin, you poured with the precision of a pastry chef. This wasn't burnout, it was premeditated. Jake argued damages. I won $112,000, more than enough for a new engine and louder exhaust. Judge barred Linda from HOA duties for 5 years and ordered counseling. Each day, I parked the Ferrari in front of her house and let Mozart roar through the speakers. Cops stopped responding to her noise complaints. It's classical music, Officer Rodriguez told her. Close your windows. Linda hired a PI to prove the car was part of a conspiracy. The report? 12 pages of photographs concluding, vehicle appears to be red. Prosecutor declined to investigate the red menace. Linda moved out under a cloud of shame and SPF 100. Her beige empire, clipboards, throw pillows, passive aggression, loaded into her Lexus. Her house? On Zillow for 137 days. Nobody wanted it. New owners? Tech bros. Painted it matte black. Rooftop hot tub, matching red sports cars. HOA elected Patricia president. Her first act? Kill the vehicle policy. Her second? A plaque in the clubhouse. In memory of common sense. May it rest in peace. As I drove past Linda one final time, engine curring, windows down, she stood on her dead lawn, clutching her pearls. This neighborhood is going to hell. I smiled. No, Linda, it's finally free.